So, the latest in the continuing saga of the Project El Camino. The windshield is leaking quite badly. We had our first good rain today, and yeah, it leaked so badly that the whole interior of the car was wet this morning. So here it is, back for some windshield repairs, and it looks like these metal pieces have never been taken off, because that's just gross. Like, really gross. Okay. More later. Hey there, Will. What you doing now to this old beast?
This is lawnmower.
For what?
HVAC.
Ah. Is that the new part?
Yeah, Mom.
So that's the new blower on the
Yes,
fan?
Mom.
Okay.
Hi, viewers. This is me being tortured by my mother.
Tortured?
This is torture. I have to perform every time she puts me on video. I try to fight back, but she just takes away my energy.
Awesome. We got it all back together.
Yeah.
Now you gotta see if it runs.
Come on, Mom.
Okay.